Okay, so everyone, hi. Hope you had a lovely trading week at 4 time, and this is normal weekly analysis that I bring to you guys. We'll be analyzing these 5 pairs within 13 minutes. So this is about to be epic. So please do well to listen and show you some few trades I won as well. Okay, starting with AUD USD, USD dollar. This is a weekly time frame, and from the weekly chart, we've been seeing that we've been generally bearish. Market has been bearish. The bears have been taking the market, and the market has been running down and down and down. Even this previous week, the market has been bearish. Although, yeah, the market has been bearish. We'll go over to the daily time frame to see the same thing. You're seeing a bearish market, and over to the 4 hour. Market has been bearish, and we'll try to catch up for the trend line there. Yeah, let's cut off for the trend line there. Yeah, guys, sorry, and clearly seeing that the market has been bearish all this while, and even the previous week, the bearish market on AUD USD, guys, and from the forward time frame, we've seen that when it's sort of retracement level, where most likely expecting price to give us this move here, this kind of move, push to the upside, then give us the fall as usual. So that's basically what I'm expecting. That's the next move I'm expecting on AUD USD. From the daily time frame, you can see, let's mark out key levels on the daily time frame, and this is a key level too. Sorry, let me use this ray line here. The key level, that's why it reacted to that point here. That's a key level. So most likely what I'm expecting price, I'm still expecting price to hit off that zone and fall straight down. So expecting price to fall straight down due to this free traffic, because the dollar is still getting strong and inflation is coming up. Move over to the next pair, which is the NZDUSD. Daily chart NZDUSD moves exactly as the AUD moves. So we can see that from the weekly, we've been bearish, and we're still expecting the fall too. We're still expecting the fall. Remember, this is why price has reacted to this day, to this price point here, is because this is a major zone in the market, a major support level in the market, although which will still be broken. At most, still be broken. And go over to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, we're still bearish in this market, seriously bearish, and we're still expecting price to, yeah, guys, that trades have been winning. Still expecting price to give us this move to this side before dropping further down to the downside. Like, the analysis is so easy, guys. Like, if you want to take this trade, you just wait for a good time and then you take the trade. Hope I'm making sense. Let me see if I want. Okay, I'm making more sense right now. See you guys. So that easy. Move on to the next pair, which is USDJPY. USDJPY. Okay, AUDJPY. Most pairs with JPY as its code currency the previous week has been seriously bearish, and I'm sorry guys, let me clear my chat a bit. So it's been seriously bearish, and market has been falling due to the yeah, because to some extent the Japanese yen is a bit has a bit of correlation with the greenback, the US dollar, and the US dollar has been bullish for a very long period of time. So most likely created an inverted heads and shoulders pattern, and then it's been dropping all the way. It's been dropping all the way. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, I don't know why I'm having sort of rejection. Okay, so market has been dropping from the daily, and we've seen clearly the previous week was heavily bearish. We go down to the 4-hour time frame. The same thing is what we are seeing. Market is very bearish, and in this new coming week, we're still going to be falling because we still have a lot of traffic to the downside. As you can see, although market rejected to this price point, but that's because of this zone here. You know, guys, this is a beautiful zone here. It's basically because of this zone here. So looks like the price rejected from this zone here, but we know that we are still going to be falling in the new coming week. Price will still be falling to the downside the coming week. So from the 4-hour, you can clearly see this from the 4-hour time frame. So most likely, what I'm expecting to see is price come as the week begins. What I'm expecting to see is this price come to this price level around here, and then give us this clean move as moves and falls further, or price comes up this way here to this line and give us that move. Most likely that's what I'm expecting price to do. Move to the next one, which is USDJPY. USDJPY has for the previous week, yeah, for the previous week has been bearish, as you can see from my analysis. Move to the daily time frame, and but USD has been strong, and USDJPY has USD as its base currency, so the dollar has been strong. Although little rejections happen, but the dollar will still keep on being strong. Move to the 4-hour time frame. We are not getting much from the daily time frame. Move to the 4-hour time frame, and exactly as I said, yeah, I won a trade from here last week, guys. I won this trade last week, and because of the contraction I saw up here, it fell, and price reached this level here. The price reacted to this support here. This sort of other block here at this point. Price reacted and pushed to the upside with about how many pips? About 160 something pips. So most likely Since the dollar is still strong, most likely expecting price to still keep pushing higher and higher and higher. But as the week begins, we shall see what we're expecting because we may have this rejection here at this point. We may keep dropping, making the dollar to look weak, or we will most likely have this move, a break to the upside, then retest, then push back to the upside. Yeah, hope I'm making sense, guys. These are possible moves that we're expecting from the market in the coming time. That's it, guys. Move to the next pair, which is last pair, which is the GBPAUD. It's been a while. I haven't analyzed GBPAUD. We'll be doing it down analysis. Okay, so GBPAUD, the previous week was the week before this last week was bearish, and it came to this support line and pushed to the upside in the previous week. Pushed it about 300 plus pips up, then rejected again because the market is generally bearish. And from the daily time frame, we can see the push to the upside give us clean market structure. So clean market structure from here, you can actually see the break of the brick wall here, break of the brick wall, then price push to the downside, and then returning back to retest and probably further push to the downside. So this coming week, as we are beginning, we may just keep pushing down. That's what I'm expecting GBPAUD to do in this coming week as the market opens. Go back to the 4-hour time frame to see if there's any trend. From the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we're creating sort of a double top formation there. From the 4-hour time frame, yeah, you can actually see the double top. So most likely price will be pushing to the downside to this support line again to retest that support line. Maybe before we see price push to the upside fully. Guys, like analysis is so easy. Your entry is easy as part of it. Then just wait for candlestick formation and take your trades. You get. Let's see where we would have entered this trade from this top side here. Okay, after marking out your important zones. After marking out your important zone, we saw the first rejection candlestick. I won't advise anyone to enter on that candlestick, which is this candlestick. Why? Because you have a very large stop loss. The stop loss would be really large, and this was about 60 something pip stop loss. You could if you trade gold regularly, but I won't enter on this candlestick. I would rather enter on this other bearish candlestick here. And at the close of this candlestick, I'll make my entry there with stop loss of about right about here. The highs of this candlestick here, pushing, targeting this point here, which is this resistance, this support line here, targeting the support line here. So most likely my TP would have been hit about after how many hours there? Yeah, I've hit my TP after about 10 hours, 10 to 14 hours. I would have had a good nice risk to report 4.5 there. So basically, that's what I'm expecting from the coming week. Do want to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this content. And cheers, have a lovely week ahead.